Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to make your keyboard stay visible on iPad. The first thing you need to do is open Settings. Once in Settings, you are going to tap on Accessibility. From here you are going to select Keyboards. Then you are going to tap on Full Keyboard Access at the top of the page. And you are going to see the option Auto Hide. You are going to tap on that, then you are going to toggle it off. By toggling off Auto Hide, for example, if I were to go into Notes, my keyboard would pop up and now it will not disappear even after not typing for a long period of time. The keyboard will permanently stay there once I've accessed an app that requires the keyboard. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.